Hello, hello, let's sing today. We'll learn a letter in a fun, fun way. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Here we go, it's letter A. Letter A. Shout hooray. What do you say? A says A. A is for apple, red and round. Crunchy, munchy, yummy sound. Take a bite, chomp, chomp, chomp. A says A says A. Letter A. Shout hooray. What do you say? A says A. A is for ant, so very small. Walking, walking on the wall. Tap, 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 tiny feet. A says A. Letter A. We learn today. Hip hooray. A says A. Goodbye, goodbye, nice job today. You learned a letter A, hooray. Wave bye-bye.